In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com to manage your social media post scheduling. Whether you're coordinating a team or managing your own content, these steps will help streamline your process, keep everything organized, and ultimately save you time. Start by logging into Monday.com. Once you're logged in, locate the plus add button, and from the drop-down, select New Board. This is where you'll create your social media management hub. Give your board a meaningful name, something like Social Media Calendar or Content Scheduler, to immediately convey its purpose. Now you have the choice to start from scratch or use one of the included templates. I highly recommend using templates as they're fantastic starting points, especially if you're new to this tool. Simply search for Social Media Planner or Content Calendar within Monday.com's Template Center to find a variety of options you can customize later on. Once your board is ready, it's time to add some structure. Set up your board such that each row represents a social media post. To begin, click on plus new item to add your social media posts. For each post, fill in pertinent details like the post title, the content, any images you'll be using, and the intended publication date. Next, assign the post to the team member responsible for either creating or scheduling it. As your post moves through different stages, remember to update its status from draft to approved, scheduled, and finally published. To further organize your boards, group your posts by campaign or month. Click plus add group to create categories like by month, where each group corresponds to a specific month, or by campaign to focus on particular marketing strategies like product launches or holiday sales. This structure not only makes it easier to visualize your schedule, but also allows you to export reports with ease. Then make use of the calendar view to get a visual overview of your content schedule. To do this, click plus add view on the top left of your board and select calendar view. Automatically, your published dates will map onto their specific days, providing you with a comprehensive content calendar. An added bonus is the drag and drop feature, enabling you to adjust post dates effortlessly if plans change. Enhance your workflow by setting up automations. Monday.com offers a variety of automation recipes. For instance, you can create a post approval reminder to notify your social media manager or a scheduling alert for when publish dates are due. To implement these, simply navigate to Automate, click Add Automation, and select the recipe or create a custom one that aligns with your needs. For those managing a large volume of posts, filtering can be a lifesaver. The filter icon allows you to sort posts by platform, status, or publish date, making it easy to find what you're looking for quickly. Moreover, you can save these filters as presets for future use. Once your posts have been published, don't forget to track their performance. Add engagement metrics like likes and comments to your engagement column and change the post status to published. Using a formula column can help you automatically calculate averages or totals, giving you a numerical insight into your content's impact. For an overarching view, consider creating a performance dashboard to monitor which platforms are yielding the best results. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to managing your social media content on Monday.com. By following these steps, you can ensure your content is organized, your team stays informed, and your social media strategy is as efficient as possible.